I nominated Anna for the Culture of Excellence because the minute she came into our department, you could just tell that she had a level of excitement about the opportunities and the things that she could bring to our department. From marketing perspective, some of the things she's been able to do is amazing. One thing that was really important to her was kind of meeting us where we're at, looking at the menu, seeing where we can make improvements, where we can make changes.
There's been lots of great things going on, but just not necessarily marketing to go behind it. And the main thing about marketing is that if we don't put posters out there, signs, try to get on social media, then all of the hard work that everybody in this department does on a daily basis doesn't always get noticed the way it should because parents and families don't know what's happening.
She never puts anything on the menu that she hasn't tried with our office staff, that she hasn't gone out and worked with the managers on and had them sample and try.
Right now, one of the things that we're trying to do to get kids involved more with and have more of a say and a stake in what's on their menu is by creating these menu focus groups. So we try to get out there in a variety of ways. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, trying to get kind of that community engagement where the parents can see what's happening right on their phone. So they have access that way and they can tell their kids, but then we also market to the kids as well by making sure that those line signs and posters are out in their cafeterias at lunch.
We're just really, really proud and thankful to have Anna. She really just elevates our department and contributes to the culture of excellence that Allen ISD is striving for.